Welcome to On Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Inorganic chemistry questions for you. Here you have NF3 nitrogen trifluoride. You should find hybridization and shape of it. To find the hybridization, you should know the steric number, which is H equals V plus B minus C whole divided by 2. Here nitrogen valency is 5, bonded atom is fluorine, which is 3. So if you substitute in the steric number, you have 8 by 2, which equals 4. 4 means the geometry of tetrahedral with the hybridization of sp3. To find the shape, you should know the lone pair. Lone pair is H minus B, which is 4 minus 3 equals 1. So sp3 hybridization with one lone pair. So 3 fluorine occupy the corner and lone pair also occupy the corner. So lone pair is not visible because of small size. So geometry of NF3 is tetrahedral and shape is trigonal pyramidal. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.